Hi, I'm Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange. We've been buying, selling, and trading new and used equipment such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, milling machines, water jets, and much more since 1954. Today we're going to show you a machine that we're really happy to have in here. Not only do we sell these machines brand new, but we get some amazing used deals in here as well. This is a year 2016 Cincinnati Proform 90-ton by 8-foot overall. Really clean machine. We'll go in here and show you how many hours are on it. It's pretty ridiculous. Very light use on this machine, if almost any. The previous customer had some Amada tooling in here because their whole facility had some Amada tool machines, and that's what they were putting in here for secondary operations. So it was very rarely used. Has all the nice options on it. You got your ram up jog here, foot pedal, dual palm with a really nice stand that you can move around. It's on wheels. This is our later controller. It's a touchscreen controller made by Cincinnati. Just so much packed into this machine. You can put all your tooling in there so it knows whenever you're going to have your tooling, where you're laying it out. It's really going to basically, when you program this machine, be able to set it up to do repetitive bends with great accuracy. There's a lot of axis on the back gauge. You'll see everything run here. We're going to run through a few different things and just run it, let you see how everything sounds, but it's a great machine. Now, if you're looking for something bigger, we do have larger machines. Here's a used machine that we just went through, clean, painted, brand new seals and cylinders, everything on here. Really nice crowning, 230 ton over 14 foot. So depending what you're looking for, we have a lot of different machines in different ranges. We also have brand new machinery. We just shipped out one. We have a brand new Cincinnati that comes on the floor here. So if you're interested in training, safety, understanding how these machines work, they offer classes here as well to go over the machines and learn how to get everything properly dialed in. This has some light curtains as well for safety. We're just gonna cycle this a few times, let you hear everything. Right now we have it in the foot switch mode. You can see it has a very long, it's a 14-inch stroke length. We've set it up so it doesn't have to run that whole 14-inch for every part of your piece that you're gonna be making. Just a simple, quick bend. And we've already calibrated the machine, calibrated the gauges, of course. Now take a look on here. We'll go to maintenance. Statistics, our machine strokes, power on time, that's the time the machine's been sitting and idle, 14,000 hours, main drive time, 2,500 hours, and total cycle time, that's the actual times they're actually making parts, only been 126 hours. So if you're looking for something late model with not a lot of use, this is definitely a great machine for you. Well, we're gonna go through this just a little bit, pull up a program, so you can see the back gauge move in and out, and we'll get the ram moving up and down and just show you how diverse this machine is and what you can do with it. So we'll go ahead and go to hit stop here. It's going to stop. As I said, we're in our quick bend mode, and we're going to move over to our automatic programming mode. Okay, we're going to pull up the program here by going to File, Open. Now these are the programs that were in from the previous operator. We've already loaded this. You can see right now we have 5 steps. Your ram reversal, your flange. You can see we can go through each step. You can see what's changing, your flange as well as your reversal. This is not a huge moving operation, but let's just show you a few different cycles just so you could see a couple of different programs. We'll hit start. We've got in our auto sequence mode, we're at step number 1. Our ram and our back gauge is already set up. So you'd already have your piece in here, set, ready with your back gauge. That's gonna be the beginning of the box that we're gonna be making. We'll cycle that through. You can see the back gauge move back just a little bit. Now it moved forward. And we're on our 5th. Back to the beginning of our box. We're back. All right, let's open another one. We'll look through here, just pick something that looks good. Try to get something more recent. And we have 2 steps in this one. Again, you can see it's pretty small. This has been doing very small bends. As I said, they were using an Amada tooling on here. So what they're asking there is the type of material. So you're gonna be able to put everything into here, the type of material, the tools that you're gonna be using here. You're gonna be able to set it up with your tool library, different shapes, all the different radiuses. So it's gonna know everything for you basically getting into it. That's gonna make it really easy to be able to have your programmers come back, pull up the program. It's gonna tell them where to put the tooling in, exactly what tools you have in your tool library that were specifically for this job. Just try to find one more here. 4 steps. All pretty small, but let's go ahead and start this one. You see the back gauge moving back. It's giving me a little warning about the V die that's set for this specific operation. You see the back gauge moving. So it's really nice to have a second set of eyes per se on here that's watching to make sure that if you do put something in and you program it incorrectly, that it's not going to crash or have any issues. It'll give you a little heads up warning. That way you'll know to reprogram or check where everything is at. And Cincinnati has a great service to be able to speak with them. They can even log into this controller and program and show you if there's any issues with it, check the BIOS, check any support, and help you on your way, which is really important for most of my customers, is just how fast can we get this machine up and running. A lot of the time, if you just put in one little button and now nothing works, you could be out a whole day trying to figure out what it is that you had pushed, but they'll be able to log right in and make it really quick and easy. You can see right here, we've gone through all our steps again. Back gauge went right back to the beginning. Let's take a walk around just to see how nice this machine is. Here you can see the curtains on it. We'll move this other control. You can see here's another Cincinnati control. This is a little bit older, but it's gonna be the same touchscreen style, same operating system, which is really nice. For any of your operators that come in, if you have multiple Cincinnatis, it'll make it so they know how to run it already. Here you can see your 2 fingers. You saw those moving in and out. It goes back and forth and up and down. All original paint on this machine. Nothing's really been touched on it. We've just kind of run through it, checked it out. Cincinnati had a look at it, made sure everything was working properly, and it's all ready to go. Now, if this is the type of machine you're looking for, if you're looking for something bigger or smaller, if you're looking to trade in and trade up, give us a call, let us know. We have lots of different types of machines available. Our phone number is 626-444-0311. You check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Let us know how we can buy, sell, and trade with you. Thank you very much.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor, or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311, and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.